How to make money using Messenger for business in 2025. So first of all, make sure that you have your business account on your Facebook. Then after doing that, you'll need to install this application called Meta Business Suite. So you can simply get into your app store and install this application, and after doing that, you can simply open it and make sure to log into your account. So after doing that, here you can see there's a lot of things that you can do in this particular app. So in here, the first thing that we want to do is execute the click to Messenger ad campaign. So for that, what you're going to do is stop sending cold traffic to leaky website landing pages where users get distracted. So instead of that, what you should do is run Facebook and Instagram ads that direct users straight into a Messenger conversation. So another thing that you can do is deploy automated conversation sales flow bots. So in order to do that, simply get into the more option right here, then tap on settings, and in here if you scroll down a bit you can see automations, and in here what you're going to do is simply enable all of these automations just like this. So in here on the instant reply you can simply edit whatever you want in here and then tap on save, and like that it will all be saved. So in here make sure to turn on all of the locations, hours, contact information, and frequently asked questions too. In the away message you should also make sure that it is turned on just like this. So after doing that, the next thing that you want to do is leverage high yield marketing messages. So that basically means you should broadcast things. So Meta Business Portfolio permits verified pages to broadcast directly direct promotional updates, recurring discount list, and products update to users who have explicitly opted into your chat stream. So instead what you can do is abandoned cart recovery. So what you should do is set up an automated trigger, and if a user interacts with a product inside the Messenger but fails to buy it, you will automatically send them a message 2 hours later saying that you have left this item behind. Another thing that you can do is flash deal broadcast. Push the VIP flash deals or premium content directly into the subscribers inbox grid, which will eventually generate an instant sales spike, which will bypass violate algorithm shift into the main feed. So by following all of these, you will be able to make money using Messenger for business, and that's it.